Good evening, guys. Welcome back to market analysis. So today let's look at what happened. So currently now SGS Nifty is trading around 15,244, 42 points higher. Nifty closed at 15,200 levels. It exactly touched around 15,250 levels and then it reversed back. So if you see there is a resistance at 15,250 levels. So it is not able to sustain above that and then it started falling. So starting from morning, everybody was expecting a gap down, but Indian markets was surprising. It opened here at 15,000. I mean, like it was opening with a gap up, and the whole day it was like a inside candle. See if it is like a triangle pattern. So the triangle pattern broke out at 215, and then it gave a huge up move. So the whole day it was consolidating around 15,200 levels, and then after that it started moving. It gave a good up move. It came till 15,200, 198, 190 levels, and then from there at 215 it started moving up. It went till 250. I mean like 15,250, and then after that it started falling. So coming to Bank Nifty, the same pattern. Whole day it was consolidating. It was like a triangle pattern breakout. It broke out from 34,700, 800 levels, and then it went till 35,200 levels, and then it could not sustain and then started falling back. So if you see the equilibrium is not in place, so it would try to come back to the I mean like balance the equilibrium. So personally, I am thinking that market will try to break these levels. I mean like Nifty, if it starts breaking 245 levels, then it will start flying to 300 levels, because as per the compound interest, open interest, if you see, the next resistance is at 15,300 levels. So above 15,300, it is 15,500. 15,100 is having a good resistance. 15,200 is having a good resistance, and 15,100 and 15,000 is having the huge support. So coming to Bank Nifty, it is trading very close to 35,000. So 35,000 is the first resistance. Tomorrow, if it starts sustaining above that for the first 1 hour, then the short covering will come and then it will start moving to 35,500 levels. But if it could not sustain above that, then again it will try to push it down. So the levels which should be watched is 34,500. Again, a buy on dips. So if you see, for market as in 2 days, it has rallied from 33,593 to almost close to 1,300 points. It had moved. Sorry, 1,500 points move has been done. So market will try to consolidate. So tomorrow is Tuesday. So maybe a consolidation on Wednesday. It may give a huge breakout again. So as far as the banking stocks are concerned, they have done a huge bullish breakouts. So they will start sustaining above that. Let me show the 1-day chart. Every private banks has given a huge breakout. So it will start sustaining above that. HDFC Bank, if it starts sustaining above 15,000, 15 to 20 levels, it will start moving to 1,600 levels in 1 to 2 weeks, close to these levels. ICICI Bank, gave a good move today. It was a good supporter today. Axis Bank gave a good move. So these are all the outlook for tomorrow from the index side. Let's look at the stock specific actions for tomorrow. So coming to the momentum stocks, Laurus Labs. Laurus Labs has given a breakout. So tomorrow look for a PRB breakout, previous range breakout. If anybody doesn't know about PRB, please post your comments or queries in the YouTube section. I'll start replying that. So these are all basically intraday setups: BPCL, KNR Constructions, Berger Paint. So please look for the first 15 minutes breakout. If it starts moving above that, then please give a quick entry. I mean exactly at 9:30. look for an entry. Tata Elxsi, Castrol India. So these are the primary picks for tomorrow. I will look for that. Apart from that, I will look at the banking stocks, how it opens tomorrow. If there is a positive move, then all the banking stocks again will outperform tomorrow. So coming to FIDA data, FIS has bought. They are continuing their buying spree. So that's actually a good sign for the up move. So if you look at the today's calls, so I had mentioned on this cement sector. Yesterday on the cement sector, I had mentioned on the, specifically I had mentioned on the cement sectors. So today, if you look at it, JK Lakshmi, JK Cement, Ambujam Cements. If we come to Sri Cement, everybody was performing well. I had mentioned this Acrisil. Acrisil has moved 50 points today. Everready, KNR Constructions. So all the cement stocks are all, like in a breakout. Pipe stocks is also in a breakout. So look out for that. I will show you. Let me show you this. So before that, our stock picks for like tomorrow, today was like ACC and Pidilite. Pidilite, just look at this move. So in one day, it has given almost like 70, 80 points. Look at this guys, Prince Pipes. So look for pipe stocks, cement stocks, and look at our picks for tomorrow, momentum stocks. Please keep this in radar for the first 15 minutes. PRB and yes. So that's it for today. So if you found this information is useful, please like and subscribe. If you have any comments, please post on that comments and queries. Please post on the comment section. I will answer on that. Thanks, guys.